Aadmi Party National Convenor Arvind Kejriwal has written to 29 automobile manufacturers raising concerns about the impact of E20 fuel on vehicle mileage and performance. In letters sent on July 8, Kejriwal asked the companies to respond within 7 days, addressing consumer concerns surrounding the use of E20 fuel. Separate letters were sent to Maruti Suzuki, Toyota Kirloskar and Hero MotoCorp, referring to their earlier claims that E20 fuel does not reduce vehicle mileage. Kejriwal sought a written assurance from these companies that consumers would be compensated if they experienced any reduction in mileage or any other adverse effects after using E20 fuel. As of now, none of the three companies has responded to the letters. Kejriwal also stated that he had sent similar letters to 26 other automobile manufacturers seeking their views on the impact of E20 fuel and asking them to clarify their position on consumer concerns related to mileage and vehicle performance. Additionally, Kejriwal announced that on July 9th, he would visit petrol pumps and meet mechanics to understand their views on the impact of E20 fuel on vehicles. He also plans to interact with consumers to gather first-hand feedback on their experiences and concerns regarding the fuel. So viewers, do you think E20 fuel has affected your vehicle's mileage or performance? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.